Imagine a single move that can strengthen your legs, tone your glutes, fire up your core, and even improve your posture, all in just a few minutes a day. Sound too good to be true? Well, it's real, and it's as simple as doing squats daily. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll see why adding squats to your routine can completely transform your body. But before we dive into the benefits of daily squats, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. If you're looking for simple, science-backed fitness tips that actually work, you're in the right place. All right, let's get into it. So why squats? Why not something else? Squats are a powerhouse exercise. They activate nearly every muscle in your lower body, quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. Plus, they even engage your core. And here's what's truly incredible. Because squats use so many muscle groups, they're amazing for burning calories and boosting your metabolism throughout the day. Benefit number 1, total body toning. First up, squats will tone and shape your legs and glutes. A daily squat routine will help you build lean muscle, giving you that toned, fit look. The best part? You'll start seeing these changes in a matter of weeks. Benefit number 2, core strength and posture. Second, every squat you do engages your core. This means you're not only getting stronger abs, but also improving your posture. With each rep, you're training your body to stand taller, improving your balance and stability. Benefit number 3, boosted calorie burn and metabolism. And finally, squats are a metabolism booster. By working some of the largest muscles in your body, squats help you burn more calories, even while resting. This makes them ideal for those looking to shed some extra weight. So there you have it. A few minutes of squats each day can truly change your body and your fitness levels. If you're ready to experience these benefits, start small. Try 10 squats a day and build from there. You'll be amazed at the difference in just a few weeks. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips to reach your fitness goals, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Remember, consistency is key. Let's squat our way to a healthier, stronger body, together.